The stock card is going to be appearing on your screen right now, and the colour that I have is the TT1B3033. This is what she looks like straight out of the packet, and I have high hopes for her. Already, just as I'm touching the wig, my senses are telling me that this is going to be a beautiful wig because the fibre is just soft. My fingers are just flowing along those strands as though there was silk strands. Oh, it's not 100% silky. That's not the texture. It's just like it's been glossed. It's got a nice sheen to it. The first thing I'm going to do is test for shedding. The masters of quality, they are, Bobbi Boss. No strands. The cap construction is 1, 2, 3 combs and an elasticated drawstring. It is a lace front and part, and again it's got a really nice wide pre-tweezed part there. Look at that. They have so nailed the part. Somehow this is not what I was expecting. Not in a bad way, just different. I think I was expecting it to be a bit flatter at the top. It's a really nice length. This colour is amazing, absolutely amazing. I cannot say enough about this colour, this 3330 blend. And strangely enough, given that centre parts aren't normally my thing, this one is not so bad. Here it is from the side and the back. I love the length. I like the waves. I would probably just flat iron it a little bit. Here is the part, and then look at this. I've not done anything to that part. It is perfect from the outset. Even though the centre part doesn't look that bad on me, I just want to see if I can shift it ever so slightly offset. Yeah. Now I'm beginning to feel it more. The dead centre part doesn't do it for me, but when I have it just off centre, it just gives it life. It gives my face life. Oh. Adorable. I don't have the elasticated drawstrings on, and it's a good fit, so it's a medium large cap size. You will definitely be seeing more of Rina, my next best friend. As always, subscribe please. Thank you very much for liking the video, because I know you've done that already, and don't forget to look below because I just might have a discount code for you on this wig. See you next time.